Y'all gotta give her a chance.
No.
She knew. She finding her footing.
She ain't new.
She's finding her footing. She's new to the pulpit.
Yeah, okay. Right, yeah, the pastor let her do it. He let her do it at Liberty and he let her do it at Justice.
Stay calm.
You said that it was the prosecutor? Oh, he wasn't enthused either, huh? You mean he wasn't one of them, what they call them, amped up prosecutors? No, the defense was. The defense was my friend. Yeah, but I said I would go to Brown's church one day. I just gotta get up. It says on 190th and she just sent me the address. I have to look for it. And I'll send it to you. No, it's not at a church. I think she said I think this month she said he's supposed to be at the hotel.
What?
Yeah, so I'll look it up and I'll send it to you. All right.
You too.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye.
Subscribe to Little Angel.